Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Snapchat and clear out old conversations, you're in the right place. Whether you want to declutter your chat feed or just remove a few chats for privacy, clearing conversations on Snapchat is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it with the latest steps for 2025. First, open up the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main camera screen. Next, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up your list of recent conversations. Now look towards the top right corner of your chat screen and tap on the three dots. This opens up more options for managing your chats. From here, select Manage Chats. You'll see a list of all your ongoing conversations. To clear a specific conversation, simply tap the X next to the chat you want to remove. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice. Just tap Clear to finish. The conversation will disappear from your chat feed, helping you keep things organized and private. It's important to note that clearing a conversation only removes it from your chat feed on your device. Any saved or sent messages in that conversation will still be visible to the other person, unless they clear it from their side as well. If you have multiple chats to clear, just repeat these steps for each conversation you want to remove. Currently, Snapchat doesn't offer a one-tap option to clear all conversations at once, so you'll need to clear them one by one. Taking a few minutes to clear out old chats can help keep your Snapchat experience clutter-free and make it easier to find the conversations that matter most to you. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to clear conversations on Snapchat in just a few taps. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, more organized chat feed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Snapchat experience.